it looks like I've never been in chlorine before, right? Hi guys, my name is Kierra Smith and I'm excited to be doing my first styling routine with Lust Brand. I'm a Lust Brand sponsored athlete. I was a finalist in the Rio 2016 Olympics. And this is my hair. So this is my hair with zero product in it. It's really dry. I swim in the pool every day of the week, so the chlorine really does a lot to it. So that's why I'm so lucky to have found Lust Brand and just found a shampoo and conditioner that helps me define my curls. And so I'm gonna go wash, condition, and I'll come back with my all-in-one Kinky-Coily and I'll show you guys how I style it. Okay, so this is my hair soaking wet, and that's exactly what you want. So I'm gonna use the Love Your Curls all-in-one Kinky-Coily. I washed it, shampooed and conditioned it, and then I have a bowl of water here just in case because I'm gonna need more moisture. I have my hairbrush here. I'm gonna split my hair into two sections right now. So I'm just gonna take this like top layer and bring it to the top of my head and tie it in a bun. And now with this bottom section, I wanna get product applied around it everywhere. And so this product, you don't need to use a lot. It's really rich and it spreads everywhere. So I'm gonna use like one and then just like, not even a half, just like a little small pump. So this much, I'm gonna apply it to my hair. And I really have to make sure that I get it like top to bottom. But I try to make sure that I get it up at my roots for sure. So that's important for me. And then I just brush it through. With these bottom sections, like by habit, I clump it, but I'm gonna be brushing over it again when I do the top section. So you'll see the difference already, like just that one, and it like made my hair clump so much. Okay, moving on before everything dries up. One in a little bit. My hair, I've been using Lust for 13 months now. My hair's grown so much. I'm really happy with it. I could also probably trim it, but yeah, it's gotten healthier, it's hydrated. Okay, so I just took the top section and I split it into two. So I have, this is like the front of my hair and I'm just gonna ignore it right now. And then this is that back middle section. And for me, this section is like the curliest. It's like a little bit of a different curl than the rest of my head. And I for sure need to add more moisture. I'm gonna brush through it first just to get like what's on this hairbrush off. And then I'm gonna add like a pump and a half of the Kinky-Coily. And with this section, I really wanna make sure that all the curls are smoothed out so I don't have any of that like wet frizz. So now I have this front section. This one, I will take a pump of this, so you can look at it, and apply it top and bottom, sides, middle, whole thing to the ends. Brush it. When I clump it, I basically just like run my fingers through after I brush it. That's pretty much it for that. And then, now that like the top layer and the bottom layer is there, I just want to make sure that this is all rebrushed over. I love talking to other curly girls and just seeing like what they do, or if I see them like, how did you, I don't know, I'm always watching tutorials and trying to learn more. And yeah, I've never felt like I've like totally mastered this. I'm always trying to learn from other people. I'm gonna put it all to this side. This is just a microfiber towel that I actually use primarily at swim meets, but it's been a dream for my hair since I've been home here. But I'm gonna put my hair over on this side, make sure that it's like off of my scalp, you know, and then upside down. And then I don't like I try not to like pull on any of the curls, so like I'll tighten it right at my forehead and then just like kind of twist it so it stays in my head. So I'm gonna leave it for probably 5 minutes and then I will diffuse my hair. So it's been a couple minutes. I'm going to unwrap my hair, bring it back up, let it Oh, let me think. Okay. I really try not to touch it, and then I just start diffusing. Here we go. Okay, this is not 100% dry yet. I'm gonna let this air dry for a little bit. I'll come back with the finished product. Okay, bye. Hey guys, I'm back and my hair is dried and it's defined, it's touchable. It's truly curly hair simplified. It was one product, the all-in-one Kinky-Coily, and it's transformed my hair from when we started before I washed and conditioned it and put the product in. It looks like I've never been in chlorine before, right? I think my hair looks healthy, and it's been the biggest difference in my life, finding Lust brands and using it and learning how to use it properly. And I thought that before, if I wasn't going to straighten my hair, that I had to wear it up in a bun, which isn't true at all. I can have curly hair. I love my curly hair, and now it's one of the things that I love most about myself, and that in turn has helped my self-confidence and helped me love myself more, starting to love my curly hair, because that's me, right? I have curly hair, and so learning to love that has been the biggest game changer, and I'm so excited to get to share that with you guys. And I hope that this tutorial, or how I style my hair, helped. And if you guys have any questions, let me know, or if you have any tips, let me know. Okay, thanks, bye.